Hi, this is Team 30. We have 5 members. I'm Yisha Fang, and we have De Chengdeng, Chen Gu, Jie Lei, and Guan Nanzhong. For the team project, we designed a game called The Fanta Chronicle, which is a 2D adventure game. The welcome page looks like this. Basically, it's a character and shooting monster game. We have different types of monsters and different stages. We designed 4 different monsters as enemies and 4 stages. Player has to go through stage 1, 2, 3, then he can fight with the boss enemy. Demo of the game will be shown later. And now I want to talk about the patterns we used in our design. For this project, we used 4 patterns. They are decorator, state, observer, and strategy. For character, we use decorator pattern to implement it. We have vector class as component interface for building the decorator pattern. And we created character class as a concrete component to implement character component interface. And we have item class as a decorator to implement actor component interface. For concrete decorator, we have laser, crystal, ring, pumpkin, fireball, cherry, and sword to extend item class. By using decorator pattern, we can dynamically wrapping objects in order to modify the capability of the character.
In our game, the transition between different stages is the implementation of the state pattern. We have the door to different stages acting as the state interface and all the stages as concrete states. The actor is the context class. In stage 1, we have the hound as the enemy. In stage 2, we have the wing. In stage 3, it will be a mage confronting the player, and finally the boss is waiting at the boss stage, which is the last one in the game. Different enemies at each different stage vary in properties and will, of course, behave differently. They have different health points, cooldown, and will attack the character with different type of bullet that varies in damage power. Once the player has successfully killed the enemy at one stage, a door will appear at the center of the screen, through which the player can access the shop and choose an item from 2, either an item to boost the health points, move speed, or a more powerful bullet. And then another door will pop up, lead the player to next stage and fight against another more powerful enemy.
We use the observer pattern to record the player's real-time life. Character is a concrete subject. Life panel is a concrete observer. We store the life score of our character to a variable HP, which is initialized to be 100. Every time the value of HP is decreased by the attack from the enemies or increased by colliding with some bonus items, the newest value of HP will be observed immediately by left panel. Then the score appearing at the left bottom corner will be updated in real time. This will be shown in the later demo.
The next design pattern we used in our project is strategy pattern, which is to define a set of algorithms. We use this pattern to describe the different actions the enemy take according to the different behavior of the character. For the movement, the enemy can choose to dash into the character, or wander around a certain area, or chase after the character. So for the attack strategy, the enemy can choose to either shoot at the character or utilize the magic to attack the character. Next comes to the exciting moment. DDC will show you how to play this fantastic game.
Okay, so now we're gonna take the time for the game demo. So here is our title screen, which has our game title, The Fanta Chronicle, and some kind of decoration here. And okay, so we can just click play, and then it goes to stage 1 here with several monsters that is kind of chasing us like this, so they can avoid the stones and just chasing us. And then I can shoot them, so they can take the damage. The bullet is coming out of my direction, so I need to face them and shoot them. Okay, and then when I finish them, I got a gate here, and I can go to a shop, like every stage after that. Here we just saw we just can see 2 different items. Well, this random from our item list, so I can choose one from them. And for me, I'm just gonna choose the left one, which will give me some health. And then okay, and then we can go to the next stage. Here we got some new monsters and new kind of obstacles. We just like hit from the spike, we will just take some damage, and those monsters will just hit us, will dash to us when we get close to them. So what I will do is just go very far and shoot them out. Okay, so we can go to the next stage. Oh well, it's the next shop, and I will take the speed this time, so you can see I move faster. Okay, and this third stage, you can see the there's lots of spike here, want to kill me, and all those monsters that kind of want to shoot me out. But yeah, I can take some advantage from them. So oh shit. And when I just finish them out, the new store is coming out, and I can take one of them. The left one is like one of the attack mode is one of the bullets, and the right one will give me some like attribute boost. So I'll just take this one and go to the gate. And okay, so here is the boss stage, and the boss has several patterns. He can shoot and can just do like some kind of magic like those. Yeah, it would do big damage. That's yes. So I just clear everything out, and then I'll just see the winning screen. On the other side, if I just going to die, I will get like a game over title, and I can demo that here. Like if I just keep getting hit, so you see I will have a little bit interval of invincible when I take damage, and yeah, I will die. So this is like the game over title, and this almost everything about the game feature for demo. So thank you very much.